My team is all here, so they will not be checking the phone or emails. If you get stuck somewhere, please use incognito mode. I will be explaining how to use that and how to solve your own problems. So let's get ahead in registration of ourselves on IBM Cloud. Let's begin with understanding what is IBM Cloud and what are cloud services and why we need that. Remember, in my first masterclass, I was telling you that for AI services to be developed, we need to have three technologies with us. One, access to data. Second is the use of compute power, or we need to have that compute power. And third is the machine learning algorithms. So whatever we are going to design or whatever we are going to learn in the following master classes and your own project that you will design on AI and ML, you will be needing these three things: access to data, compute power, and machine learning algorithms. Suppose you have these learning algorithms and you also have an idea of what to design. Still, many of you will not have a powerful GPU at your home. How frequently do we buy a powerful GPU at home, right? Some of you might be interested in gaming and might be having some GPUs. But again, we need a lot of processing power. We remember that ChatGPT was trained on 60,000 GPUs. It is not possible for us to have that at home. So cloud computing enables to get this computing power from some remote area. So cloud computing is a delivery of computing services over the internet. That means we are using the cloud to get these services. So we have some idea, we have an algorithm, we are processing that algorithm on the cloud. So it is done with the help of servers. Virtuals or physical machines, servers are there, that host application and store data. So IBM has its own servers worldwide. And these servers have a lot of data storage as well as a lot of compute power. So cloud services store data. So you can have on-demand data storage solutions that are scalable and accessible so that you are putting your own data on the cloud and processing it on IBM Cloud. You can also manage your databases. You can use networking tools, and you can use all the softwares that are there on our cloud services. A quick introduction to IBM Cloud. I'm going to play a quick video on what a cloud is and how have we changed the cloud. Introduction to IBM Cloud. I'm sure the audio is...
And is a beautiful word. It hints at collaboration and welcomes possibility, and is the ideal state of modern enterprise. Unfortunately, for too long now, we've lived in a state of awe, stuck in a series of technological trade-offs. Compliance or innovation, accessible or protected, on-prem or in the cloud. We're happy to report the age of awe is over. IBM Cloud is connected and open and collaborative. It understands the unique diversity, risks, and opportunities of third and fourth party partners and processes. It delivers resiliency and performance and security across ecosystems, supporting the most mission-critical workloads in the cloud, accelerating the impact of AI by creating a secured environment for your trustworthy data, all while addressing compliance requirements and total cost of ownership. See where we're going here? No more difficult decisions, no more compromises, no more awe. Welcome to the age of and welcome to IBM Cloud.
Okay, so welcome to IBM Cloud. And with cloud, what you will also be doing is you can also do collaboration. That means 4 or 5 people of the same team can work on a same task. You will have all your resources at one place. If you want to design a machine learning model, you will use the machine learning model from IBM Cloud. If you want to design a chatbot, you can design one. If you want to do speech to text conversion, all the things that are possible in AI today can be done with the help of our cloud resources. I would like to congratulate all of you, those who have done the AI fundamentals course. You would have done a little bit of IBM Cloud exercise there in the course itself. Of course, it's not getting you to the IBM Cloud. It's more of a different version that you are doing it in the activity itself. So let's move ahead and register ourselves on IBM Cloud and see how it looks like. What you will get with IBM Cloud, you will get a free IBM Cloud account with 350 plus products, with 50 plus free products to use anytime. You'll get access to 40 plus always free products. And by always free products, that means that you will not have to pay a single money or a single rupee for using these resources. Also, you will have access to $200 worth softwares available for 365 days with IBM Academic Initiative. So let's get ahead and get yourself registered to IBM Cloud so that we use that for designing our own chatbots as well as machine learning models. I'm really excited to give this opportunity from IBM to you, and let's get started. The registration process is fairly simple. We are going to follow 3 steps. One is to register to software downloads. Some of you might have already done or already registered to software downloads. Second is we are going to generate the cloud code, because IBM is giving all of these technologies or cloud to students only. But how does IBM know that you are accessing this? So you would need to generate a cloud code similar to how an Amazon coupon looks like. So you will be generating your own cloud coupon or coupon code and apply that coupon code to software downloads. And then we are going to create our own IBM Cloud. One disclaimer that I want to say is that this is a completely free registration process. If anyone asks you to pay money at any time, please do not entertain. IBM never asks students to pay for free cloud services. So it's a completely free registration. There might be some people who might take advantage of this. So if someone is calling you at any time, then don't entertain them and don't give them any money. Let's get started. So I am going to explain this process in steps. I am going to use these steps first, and then you will repeat this with me. Don't repeat this directly with me. So what we are going to do is I am going to first teach you these steps, and then you are going to repeat that. So let's start. So first process is we are going to register ourselves to software downloads. Thank you all of you, those who have done it prior. You might not to do anything at this step, but even if you miss some step, then let's see what step did you miss, and if you missed it, then let's do it again. Those who are doing it for the first time, follow with me. I am going to first show you the process, and then you are going to follow this process with me. First step is to go to skillsbuild.org. You must be familiar with this website, right? You have been doing course like getting started with AI and foundation to AI with this website. So we are going to go to skillsbuild.org. Right now, don't follow the steps. Okay, I repeat, don't follow the steps. First, look at the process. When I ask you to follow, then only follow. So you don't miss any step in between and don't have any problem registering you to IBM Cloud. Okay, so first step is to go to skillsbuild.org. The second step is to log in. So what we are going to do is on the right-hand corner here, log in, click on login. You might be logging in with college skills program till now. Now you have to log in with college software downloads. Okay, so you don't need to select this. You need to click on college software downloads. After clicking on college software downloads and clicking on login, you will be taken to a academic institution issued email, this page where you need to enter your institute email. So the college email ID that you have to input it here. At any point, IBM asks the college email ID. Always enter academic institution ID. Always enter your college email ID that you use to design your to log into your Skillsbuild account. Okay, because IBM is offering all these free cloud services to students and university students only. Okay, so you need to access your university ID in order to enter to this site. So you enter your college email ID and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will reach a page like this where your ID will be here and your college name will be written here. Okay, so if you are seeing this page, then let's pause at this step. The people who have not followed me, let's follow it step by step. I'm going to repeat all these steps. Okay, so step number 1, go to skillsbuild.org, click on log in and click on this college software downloads. I'm going to wait for the next 1 minute here so that all of you are following this step. All you have to go is you have to go to skillsbuild.org, go to login, top right corner, click on college software downloads. Don't click on college skills program. Okay, so click on college software downloads. Let's do it quickly in the next 1 minute. If you have a laptop, please use your laptops. If you don't have, then try to use your mobile phones, but it won't be that much good in your phones. Also, as I put a disclaimer that a lot of you might be logging in at the same time. It might lag. Be patient for some time. I'm going to wait 1 minute here. Let's all reach this step. If it is showing you something went wrong, then you have to enter your college email ID only. No Gmail or ID will be able, you will not be able to register with Gmail IDs. Okay, so you need to register with college email IDs only. Also for people whose college is not registered. Okay, so you need to stay here in this meeting till the end of this meeting, and we are going to roll out a grievance form so that you can use that to log in. Okay, so if your college are not registered, you will not be able to register in this. So please be patient by the end of this class. Just follow these steps. Some of you are receiving a message like, thank you for your interest in IBM Skillsbuild software download. Your academic institution is not currently a part of IBM Skillsbuild software download program. So this is for people who already might have got mail from CSR Box team that your college is not a part of this IBM project, right? So for all of you guys who are here, we will resolve your queries by the end of this class. So stay here. Be patient, just look at the process, and if you are not able to do this, then we will be addressing your issues by the end of this class. If it is showing something went wrong, that means that we have a lot of members. Refresh the page, open it on incognito, and open it again. Okay, so be patient because our cloud can handle only certain processes. So yes, if it is showing something went wrong and a cross, then do it again, refresh the page, enter your college ID, and move ahead. Okay, cross mark on something went wrong, refresh your page, or open it on incognito, enter your ID again, and then move ahead. All right, so if you are able to do this, log in with college software downloads. You will reach somewhere like here. Here you have to enter your college email ID and then click on submit. Once you submit, you will see a page like this. Okay, a quick check of hands. Please raise your hand if you can see this page. Okay, please raise your hand if you can see this page. If you are not seeing this, you will have to refresh or use incognito. I'm going to wait for the next 1 minute for everyone to reach here, and then we will move forward. I can see only 13 people raising a hand that they have reached here. I am getting queries, getting some more people who are reaching here. So I am still waiting for you. If you have not reached here, please reach here. I'm going to repeat the steps one more time. So you have to go to skillsbuild.org. You have to click on login on the top right corner. You have to log in on college software downloads. Click on login and then enter your email ID that is being issued to you by your college, and then click on submit. Okay, if you have reached here, I'm going to wait for the next 30 seconds more. I promised you 1 minute, so I have not reached there. Let's wait for everyone to reach here. Those who are having any queries or any doubts, please refresh your page or open it on incognito. The link is being shared by my team on the chat box again and again. And click on these links if you don't want to go to Skillsbuild process. If you opened on incognito, but it again shows something went wrong, please wait for some time and try again. Okay, so it might be that your request is not reaching the servers. The servers are already overloaded. So I will wait for some more time. I'll show you the next process, and yeah, then you can use, then you can retry again. Okay, so be patient. I already told you in the disclaimer that it might get lagged because these are heavy softwares and a lot of people in the world are already using our cloud services. So if we are also accessing the cloud services, then it might get congested and our servers might not be able to process your requests. Nonetheless, if you are here, very good. If you are not here, please look at the video very carefully as I am mentioning the next steps. In the role tab, choose student. Okay, so if you are here, click on this little arrow here and your role as student. So you have to select student here. And for your current degree, in the current degree tab, select Bachelor of Engineering. If you are a BTech student, there is a chance that there might not be a Bachelor of Technology in here, because in countries other than India, the engineering is called as Bachelor of Engineering. So if you are doing currently BTech, you have to select Bachelor of Engineering only. Okay, so if you are doing any other degree, then you have to select that degree. So choose the degree that you are pursuing currently, and in the sort degree tab, that is the tab that is next to, below the next degree, your current degree tab, you need to select the degree that you want to pursue after your current degree. If you want to pursue Master of Science after this, then select that. If you don't want to do anything after this, then select the current degree only in this tab. Okay, so if you don't want to pursue anything further, then select the current degree here itself. It's also in the expected graduation date. That means that when you are going to graduate, so select the graduation year in this. Suppose those who are in final year, they will get graduated in 2025, then select that tab. Those who are in third year, they will be selecting 2026, 2027, and 2028 in that order. The graduation month, select the graduation month as whatever month that you are going to graduate. Select the department that you are in. If you are in computer science and engineering, click that. If you are in any other engineering field, click that and choose your department that you are currently enrolled with. Okay, so on this tab, enroll me in the IBM batch program. please select yes. It will enable you to get badges from the courses that you are doing. You are already getting badges and uploading them. So this is just to get a check on the IBM badge program. So just click on yes here. Read the software downloads terms and services. It will look like this, and click on accept. Then read the privacy consent and click on accept. Once you click on all of this, you click on register and a window like this will appear. Okay, it will ask you to confirm your details and click proceed. All right, so if you are here, stop here. I'm going to repeat the steps. Let's do it one by one. Okay, so we were here. Those who are able to log into here now will continue from here. Those who are not able to, just refresh your page and then try again. Okay. If you are currently doing BCA, there are messages that I am doing BCA, then you have to choose Bachelor of Science and then choose Computer Science from there. Okay. Yes, I will be sharing this PPT after the class. So those who are not able to follow any steps, they will be able to follow the steps. If it is still showing something went wrong, please wait for some more time. Please be patient and try again. If your academic institution is not a part of IBM Skillsbuild, please wait till the end of this class. We will resolve this issue. For BTech degrees, please select Bachelors of Engineering and Computer Science. So I'm reading people's doubt. Someone is asking, I have created a cloud account for Watson AI ML challenge. Is it the same? Yes, it is the same, but you might not have access to the 365 days. You will only have the trial account. So in this masterclass, you will be creating your account and have access for 365 days. I am pursuing MCA and it is not enlisted. Shrusti is messaging. Shrusti, please select Master of Science and then in the department, select Computer Sciences. So select the degree which is similar to you. You don't need to select the perfect degree because there might not be the same degrees that India offers in other countries. So select something which is similar to you. If you are doing something in computer science, then select Masters of Science and then Computer Science. If you have Bachelors of Technology you are currently doing, then Bachelor of Engineering and then your engineering branch. Okay. So what you are going to do is you are going to select your role as student and then select current degree, which is the degree that you are pursuing right now. Your short degree, that is the degree that you want to pursue after. If you don't want to continue your education, then you need to select the current degree here in the tab. Expected graduation date, when you are going to graduate, the month of graduation, the department, whether it is computer science or whatever department that you are currently in, and then click on Enroll Me in IBM Batch Program. Read the software download terms and conditions. Click on Accept. Read the privacy consent. Click on Accept and click on Register and reach here. I'm going to wait for 1 minute for you to fill up this form and reach here. okay, if I am receiving messages from students and some Siddhika is saying that it is not accepting registration from our college email ID. If it is not registering from your college email ID, please be patient. By the end of this class, we will register your issue and take it forward with IBM. If it is showing something went wrong, you will need to be a little bit patient because thousands and thousands of students are registering on this website and our servers are already running full. So you might be getting some error. For diploma students, there might be some. Okay, for diploma students, you can select bachelor's there itself. No need to worry. It doesn't matter if you choose any of the department there also. So just choose something which is similar to you, which resonates to you. So it doesn't need to be the perfect degree that you are looking for. Okay, so if you are here and then click on proceed, and you will be getting a green check mark saying thank you for registering. So if you have reached here and get a green check mark, then you are at the right track. Let's wait for some more time. Let's be patient. I know that a lot of you might be getting some errors. This is already being done with students and we already know the issue. By the end of this class, we will be addressing all of your issues. So please be patient. Let's move ahead after. If you are getting this green check mark, then if you are getting stuck anywhere or the site doesn't load, so go to new incognito window, click on this three dots here, go to incognito window, or you can delete your browsing data. Sometimes what happens is that your cache memory is flooded with your previous responses. So if you're getting the error like something went wrong, your email the internet browser that you are using will cache that page and load it again and again. So one more thing that you can do if you are getting the error is that delete your browsing history, cookie, and other site data, cached images and files. So go to this option here, delete browsing data, and delete the data, delete the cached images and files. So there might be some errors that you might be encountering, that the site is not loading or something went wrong, and that page gets loaded to your cache memory. So it always reflects that from the cache. So clear your cache if you are experiencing any problem here. All right, if you have cleared the cache and if you have registered, if you have got that green check, then you will be directed to verification. Okay, at this stage, you need to enter your college email ID in the business email. So it asks for business email because we only offer all of our services to industries or companies. Okay, we don't offer it to general people or for other people to use our resources. We only offer it to business people. Now we are offering it to students so that students can also learn. And with this academic initiative that IBM has launched, so you need to, in order to enter your email here in business email, enter your college email ID. Create a strong password. If you click on password, you will see a lot of directions of what a strong password means. Your strong password should have a capital letter, a number, and a symbol. Okay, so create a strong password here, starting with a capital letter. It should have some small letters, some numbers, and some symbols. Once you generate a difficult or a hard password, go to first name and enter your name here. Enter your first name, enter your last name, keep your country as India, and select next. Okay, so if you are here at the verification page, in your business email ID, enter your college email ID. In the password, make a strong password. It should have a capital letter, small letters, numbers, and symbols. In your first name, enter your first name. In your last name, enter your last name. Select the country as India if you are from India and click on next. If you are experiencing errors still, delete your browsing history, clear your cache, open it on incognito and run again. Okay, so if you have filled this information, click on next and you will be redirected to a window like this. Here you will be asked your company name. Okay, again, we only offer these services to companies, so you will not be able to enter any company name here, right? So enter your college name in this field. Okay, your college name in this field and then click on next. After filling all the account information, after filling your college name, click on next. Once you click on next, IBM will send you a 7-digit code in your email ID. Okay, at this step, open a new tab, go to your email ID and search for a mail from IBM. So your mail from IBM will look like this from IBM Security and it will say new user registration. So at this point, click on this mail. If you are not getting this mail, check your spam folder. Why is it going to spam? Is because a lot of people are using this to get their code, and Google might flag IBM's email as spams because it is going to a lot of people. So even if it is coming on a spam folder, don't worry, it's not some spam or a scam. IBM is one of the most secure companies in the whole world, and it will never send you a spam email. So if you're getting it from IBM Security, if you're not getting it on your email ID inbox, check your spam also. Because we do it with a lot of people, we already know the issues. So this is one issue that you might get. Go to your spam folder, check it there, and see if you have received that code. If you have received it on your email ID, that's very good. It will look like this. Here will be your 7-digit code. So I'm not showing my code so that you can copy my code. You will have to copy your own code in this. So use this code to activate your email ID. So what you need to do is you need to open that email, copy that code from there and paste it on this verification token. Here you will need to paste your code. After pasting this, click on create account. Okay, so I'm going to repeat these steps one more time. I'm also going to wait for people who are facing any issues. Also, there are messages on the chat box, what to follow, all the steps, they are being to be there on the chat box also. What should be the department? Adesh is asking. Department is the department that you're enrolled with, the branch, the computer science or any engineering branch that you're enrolled with. Preeti is saying, sir, it is showing that they are not accepting registration from our college ID. What to do? Please wait by the end of this class. We will be rolling out a form and then you can fill that form, use the information you learned in this class and then do it on your own. Okay, so don't worry if your college, if IBM is not accepting registration from your college, we will take that issue to IBM and resolve that. Asna is saying, can you please explain the steps after registering? Okay, sure. I will explain the steps one more time. So you will be directed to verification here. After registration, you will need to enter your college ID in the business email ID column here. In the password, select a strong password. It should have a capital letter, small letters. It should have numbers and symbols. Enter your first name, your last name, select the country as India, and then click on next. Okay, here business email as college email ID, password as a strong password, first name, last name, country, India, and then next. Here in company, someone is asking me that what should be entered in the company name. Okay, so it is Harsh is asking what to write in company. In company, you need to write your college name. Okay, in company, you need to write your college name and then click on next. In the company, please write your college name. Harsh is asking me, so please write your college name in the company. If your short degree is MTech and the option is not there, then select Master of Science only. Pawan is asking me, then select Master of Science. So make it work according to your own, reasoning. It doesn't need to be accurate in detail. Those who are facing, Devang is facing another IBM ID has already being used. You will have to clear your history, go to a incognito browser, and you will have to do this again. Devang, I already showed you how to clear your history. Go back, click on the three dots here, delete browsing data, go and delete your history. Okay, so you will be able to do that. I'm going to repeat all the steps from the beginning. Okay, so if you have not followed through, no worries. I'm going to repeat all the steps. First one, go to skillsbuild.org, click on login, click on this college software downloads, click on login to log in. Enter your academic ID here. You will be redirected to a page which looks like this. Enter your ID here. Click on submit. Your ID and your college name will be mentioned here. Select the role as student. In the current degree, choose the degree that you are doing right now. You might not be able to choose the similar degree, same degree, but choose similar degree. Like for Bachelor of Technology, BTech, you need to select the Bachelor of Engineering. In department, select the branch that you are enrolled with. Choose the graduation date. Choose the graduation month. It need not be perfect. You can choose it close to when you are going to graduate. Select the department as whatever branch that you are in. Enroll to the IBM batch program. Read the software download terms and services. Click accept. Read the privacy consent and then click accept and then click on register. Once you click on register, you will be asked if your information is correct or not. Click on proceed and it will give you a green check mark saying thank you for registering. Once you get registered here, it will redirect you to this page for verification. Enter your college email ID in the business email. In your password, select a strong password, a capital letter, some small letters, numbers, and symbols. In the first name, write your first name. In the last name, write your last name. Select the country as India and click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask the company name. In the company name, please fill your college name and click on next. When you click on next, a 7-digit code will go to your email ID. Open your email box. Go to this mail from IBM Security, which says new user registration. And you will be getting this mail. Copy that 7-digit code. If you are not getting this mail, go to your spam folder. Check your spam folder. Get this 7-digit code. Copy it from here. Paste it on this verification token. Okay, when you paste it, click on create account and it will ask you to confirm whether to create account or not. Click on proceed and your one more verification IBM will send to your email address. So after clicking on proceed, you will be getting a 10-digit verification code. This 10-digit verification code, you need to fill the last 6 digits only. Okay, last 6 digits. So you go to your email, you will have a 10-digit verification code. You will have to click on the recent mail that you got from IBM Security. Okay, so that 10-digit code, copy the last 6 digits from this and paste it here. Enter code sent to your email, paste it here. Click on verify and once you click on verify, you will be redirected to this page. So if you are at this page, you have successfully registered to IBM Skillsbuild software downloads, and congratulations for completing first step. Okay, so I'm going to wait here for people to reach to this page. I'm going to show you the steps after this one. We left at this one. We got our first email. We go to our email, take the code from there, paste it here, and create account. After creating account, we click on proceed. IBM will send one more verification mail. That will be a 10-digit code. You need to copy the last 6 digits here and then click on verify. Once you click on verify, once you go to your email, you will be getting this 10-digit code. Copy that 6 digits from here. Go to this site where it asks you to enter code. Enter the 6 digits and click on verify. Okay, so you will be reaching this page. I'm going to read your messages if you have some queries till people reach here. Okay, Muskan is saying I'm not able to log in. It's showing something went wrong again and again. Okay, so if you are using your home internet, can you please use your mobile to generate a hotspot and then do it from there? Sometimes certain servers are also not able to log in. So if you are using a home internet, use your mobile internet, use your hotspot to do that. It might resolve the issue. Academic institution name is not our institution name. What should we do? Okay, no worries. You can go ahead with this. No worries if it is not your academic institution. If you are seeing anything, then move ahead. I am not able to register. After clicking register, it's directly asking my IBM ID and password to log in. Okay, Sudeep, you need to register on IBM Skillsbuild. Go to login and click on college software downloads. Electronics and Om is asking, sir, where is electronics and communication branch? Electronics and communication branch is specific to India only. You will need to do with electronics here in this. Okay, so there is no electronics and communication branch. You select electronics. So you need not put your perfect information. What you need to do is you need to select the similar one. If you are finding electronics, then select that. Okay. Yes is saying, sir, I tried it with my phone browser and successfully done it. Thank you so much. Yes, this is one way to use it, because sometimes what happens is certain servers are not able to reach certain places. So if you disconnect from that server, you use your phone's hotspot, you might get that issue resolved. Digambar is saying, sir, when we first enter our domain ID for software login, I am getting some different option. Okay, so what you are doing is you are logging into, you need to log into Skillsbuild with Skillsbuild software downloads option only. Don't use the college login one. What should be the department? Department should be the branch that you are currently enrolled with. Sir, Anamika is asking, sir, at last step, when click on verify, it is showing your session has expired. That means that you are taking a long time to register. So please refresh that page. It will start from the same step that you were at in the last. If you are experiencing something like another email ID has already been used with this application, you will need to clear your browser's cache and use incognito to log in again. Harshita is also experiencing the same error. Another email ID, IBM ID is used with this application. So you need to clear your browsing data and then open an incognito browser and log in again. Those who are directly reaching here, this page, okay? So Karthik is asking, sir, I directly jumped into this page because you already are logged into IBM Skills Build. If you have not, if you have jumped into here, then no worries, you are at the right place, okay? So if you have already registered with the email that we shared with you and you have got directly this page here, then no worries, you might already have been registered, okay? So if you have already been registered, if you are at this page, you are at the right place. Some people might be getting this error also, as Kashigiri is saying to me, Gayatri is saying to me that even if I selected student, it is asking job role. So it might get a type of problem here also. So in the job role, select any job role, okay? So as academician or anything. So just go with that form, fill any information and get it done. Okay, so if even after selecting student, it is asking for job role, then just go with it. A lot of people are asking me job role. So job role, select as academician or any other tutor, trainer, whatever you want. Just go with it. Those who are still getting the error that your institution is not a part of IBM software download, please be patient. By the end of this class, I will resolve this issue with IBM. Those who are receiving the error of another IBM ID already being used with this, please clear your browser cache or open it on the incognito tab. Rashika has already answered that you can choose coordinator from the drop down menu as job role. Okay, so you can also choose coordinator in the job role. If you are getting job role even after selecting student, choose coordinator and move ahead with it. Okay, so if you are asking me जॉब रोल में क्या सेलेक्ट करना है, प्लीज सेलेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर फ्रॉम द ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. Karthik is asking, I have used my domain ID for creating crowd account for Watson challenge. It might work, but it will work only for 30 days. For 365 days access, you will have to use the cloud feature code. So this is only one time project that you will not do, right? You will be using IBM services for the whole year. You will be able to develop a lot of things. So do this process. With this process, you will be able to create your own account. Okay, so let's move ahead if you are here. Okay, so congratulations for all those who have reached here and completed the first step. Let's get back in the next 1 minute. I'm going to pause for 1 minute, not going to speak. I'm going to wait for people to reach here and then I will continue with the next step. All right, let's move ahead to second step. Step number 2 is to generate the cloud code. Remember, I mentioned that to use IBM Cloud services, you will be given a cloud code. Okay, so that cloud code, when you paste it on the IBM Cloud, your cloud account will be activated for 365 days. Okay, so what we will do is we will use this, we will generate this cloud code now. If you are here on this page, on the left panel, go to this IBM Cloud option and click on this IBM Cloud option, and it will open like this. Okay, so if you are at this page, click on IBM Cloud and click on IBM Cloud Feature Code. Okay, so this is the option that you need to select, IBM Cloud Feature Code. So this code will be used to activate your account for 365 days. Okay, so you click on this IBM Cloud Feature Code, it will open a dialog box like this. And in this dialog box, click on Request Feature Code. When you click on Request Feature Code, a code will be generated. This green tick will be shown and it will display that your IBM Cloud promo code is something like this. Copy that code from there. Okay. So do not use my code. My code is here. Do not use my code. You will have to use your own code. Okay. Okay. So now I have hidden my code. So you have to click on IBM Cloud on the left panel, click on this and click on IBM Cloud Feature Code, click on Request Feature Code, and your promo code will be generated. Okay, so one promo code is being used only one time. So please, if you are at this stage, then stop doing anything, click on copy code and wait for some time as we move to the next step, which is registering on IBM Cloud. Okay, so congratulations if you are here and completed the second step. That means you have this code now. Stay in this window. I am going to repeat all the steps that I have explained so far. So if you have any doubt, please watch these steps carefully. Okay, I'm going to explain from the beginning. Okay, so what we did was we went to IBM Skillsbuild. On the top right corner, we clicked on login. People who were seeing some other page, so you have to select college software downloads here. No other thing will work. Okay, college software download and then log in. Okay, log in with your academic ID. People who are facing issues that their ID is not registered or you are not a part of IBM, I will address your issues by the end of this class. Okay, so you have to fill in your academic ID here, submit. Your academic ID will be shown here. Your college name will be here. Even if your college name is something different, don't worry, you will be able to use that. In your role, select student. In your degree, select Bachelor of Engineering or whatever degree that you are doing right now. If after role, it is asking you for your job description, select as coordinator. Okay. In this sort degree tab, click on Master of Science. In the graduation date, select whenever you are going to be graduate. In the month, select the month that you are going to be graduate. In the department, select the branch that you are currently enrolled with and check on yes on this enroll me to IBM batch program. Read software terms and services, click on accept, read privacy consent, click on accept and click on register. After clicking register, click on proceed to proceed to the next steps. Please confirm that your details are correct. When you click on proceed, you will get a green check mark saying thank you for registering. If you are facing any difficulty, like your ID, another IBM ID has been used with the account or some other error, open a new incognito window, or delete your browsing data. When you delete your browsing data, your cache file will also be deleted. So you have to clear the data. You will be directed to verification. So in the verification, put on your business mail, your college email ID. No business mail should be put here, only your email ID that you have registered with, the college email ID. Password with a capital letter, small letter, a number, and a symbol. First name, your last name, country should be India. Click on next. When you click next, the company name should be your college name. Okay, enter your college name here and click on next. When you click on next, you will receive an email from IBM. This email you have to click in. There will be a 6-digit code, 7-digit code there. Copy that code from there and paste it here on verification token. When you have pasted it here, click on create account. When you click on create account, then you will be getting a window like this. Click on proceed. When you click on proceed, one more verification email will go to your email address. Open that email, the recent one that you have got from IBM. Copy that last 6 digits from there, paste it on this tab and click on verify. Once you click on verify, you will be redirected to this page. Now in this page on the left panel, click on IBM Cloud. Once you click on IBM Cloud, you will get a page like this. In this page, click on IBM Cloud feature code, this, and request feature code. And a green check mark with your promo code will be generated. If you are not seeing a green check mark, cross this, reload the page, again go through the process. Copy this code from there and wait. I'm going to wait the next 30 seconds. I'm going to resolve your queries. Digambar is saying, sir, we are using the link shared by your team, but still we are getting different option as I specified above. And okay, don't use that link. You go from CSR box 1. Okay. Go to IBM Skillsbuild.org and from there complete the process. Okay. Don't use the link if you are getting the error from there. Sir, I accidentally closed the incognito page after registration and I don't know what to do. Okay, Abhinav, I'm quickly one more time doing this. And where do we have to paste the code? I'm going to show you where you have to paste the code, Vishal. Just be patient for this, okay? So we are going to go back to the start. I'm going to explain it one more time. Go to skills build, log in, and use the College software downloads. Click on enter your academic ID, click on submit, check your information, select the role as student. In the current degree, select current degree, sought degree, graduation date, graduation month, department. Click on enroll, read all of these things, accept them. Click on register. Here, click on proceed. It will say thank you for registering. If you are facing error, open an incognito window, delete your browsing data, and on the verification, put your college email ID on business email, password here, first name, last name, country as India, click on next. In the company name, enter your college name and then click on next. You will be sent a verification code. Go to your email ID, click on this verification, use this verification code, paste it here and click create account. Proceed here. You will be sent a 10-digit code. Enter the last 6 digits. Go to your email ID, copy that code, enter it here, click on verify. You will be reaching this page. In this page, click on IBM Cloud, go to IBM Cloud feature code, request feature code, and a code will be generated. Copy that code. Okay, now let's move to our next step. Open a new browser and type IBM Cloud. Okay, so I am also going to do that. I'll show you how to go there. Type IBM Cloud. Okay, and click on the IBM Cloud option, this one. Okay, and then click on log in. So I'm going to copy this link and paste it directly on the chat box so that you can go to the chat box this directly. So I'm going to send it to all of you. This link, cloud.ibm.com/login. Okay, so go to this link, this in your chat box, cloud.ibm.com/login. Okay, so go to this link and you will get it here. Now here, if you are here, log into IBM Cloud. If you are at the IBM Cloud login, then you need to click on create an account. Okay, sorry. You need to click on create an account. Don't fill in with the ID that your college ID. Okay, click on create an account here. Go to the link that I have pasted on the chat box. I am again pasting it. My team is also pasting it. cloud.ibm.com/login. Okay, go to this link, open this page, click on create an account. Okay, nothing else. Create an account here. Okay, so if you click on create an account, then it will ask you for your email. Okay, enter your college email ID here. Once you enter your college email ID and click next, then this green check mark will already get activated. Okay. Once you click on create an account, enter your college email ID. You're on the account information, enter your college email ID. Once you enter your college email ID, it will show you a green check mark here. Okay, so when it shows you a green check mark, that means that you are already registered on an IBM ID. That means that your college ID has been accepted as a IBM ID. Okay, so this green check mark. Once you see this green check mark, click on next, and IBM will send you another verification email by OTP on your mail ID. So you need to open this mail from IBM Cloud. Remember, this mail is from IBM Cloud. Now it will have a 7-digit verification code again. You copy this verification code from there and paste it here and then click next. Okay, once you click next, it says that this is my account information, verify email, and it says continue. Once I click on continue, it will take me to the login page. Okay, I am going to repeat these 4 steps again. Go to the link that I have pasted on the chat box. I am pasting it again. cloud.ibm.in/login. Okay. Here you need to create an account. Okay, please remember that you need to create an account. You don't need to sign in with email ID. Okay, don't move steps ahead than me. If you have done with this, then you will have to wait for some time until I resolve your query. Okay, so create an account here. Click on create an account and then enter your college email ID. You will get a green check mark like this. Click on next and a verification mail will come to your email ID. That 7-digit code, you have to copy it from there and paste it back on this and click on next. Once you click on next, your mail will be verified and this continue box will be highlighted in blue. You click on this continue and it will take you to the login page. Now, when you are in this login page, you will need to sign in with your college email ID. Okay. So again, in this login page, enter your college email ID and click continue. Okay. Once you click on continue, you will need to enter the password that you created. Remember, you created the password on the first step, the Skillsbuild download account. You need to enter the same password here. The same password when you enter and click on login, you will be redirected to a login page. Okay. Wait at this login page. Do not proceed ahead. Okay. Do not enter any credit card information, any card information. If you are doing that and the amount is deducted, then I will not be liable for that. At this step, you need to wait. Okay. After this, it will ask you for company, personal, all this company information. You don't have to do anything here. Okay. You have to wait here if you are at this place. I'm going to repeat it again. Go to the link again that I am pasted on my chat box. And after that, click on the account information. Here, enter your college email ID. If it is green, then click on next. Verify your email. It will send you a 7-digit verification code on your email ID. Paste that code from there, copy that code, paste it here and click on next. Okay. When you click on next, this continue check mark will be shown green. Click on continue and you will reach this page. Here you have to log in again. Okay, you log in with your college email ID, click on continue, enter the same password that you used on creating the account. Okay, enter the same password, click on login. Once you click on login, you will be redirected to a login page. Do not proceed after this step. Do not enter any credit card information or any card information. Okay, just wait here. All right, so I will wait for people to reach here. After this, do not select anything. No company, no personal, no next. Okay, nothing, no information you have to put here. I'm going to wait the next 2 minutes for all of you to reach here and I will continue from there. Those who are getting directly on this site without entering any password, their password is, they must already be been logged into IBM Cloud. So don't worry if you have not entered a password and reached here directly. Those who have already used IBM Cloud before, for them, I will explain what you need to do there. Okay. So if you are, Karthik is asking me, it got into the account that I created for Watson. Don't worry. I will tell you how to use your code on that account. Okay. Please repeat from start from IBM ID. Okay. I will repeat again from the start, but I will just move ahead with people who have reached here. Okay, so that we are not wasting time. I will explain the whole process one more time. Okay. Now here, click on register with a code. Okay. Register with a code and click on, when you click on register with a code, this window will occur. Okay. In this window, you have to go to the browser or the tab where you had that code. Okay, remember you generated this code, right? So this code you have generated, now you go to this code, you copy that code from there and you paste it here, that 32-digit code. Okay, I repeat it again. If you are here, click on register with a code. You go to the browser, go to the tab where the code is there, copy code and click on here. Okay, apply the 32-digit code here. Click on create account and you will get a green check mark. It shows that code was applied successfully and you will reach here. Okay, where you will be where it will be saying welcome, tell us about yourself. In this, select AI and machine learning in what you are most interested in, your job role as student, your industry as education, and click on let's get started. When you click on this, you will see a dashboard like this. Okay, this is the dashboard of IBM Cloud. Here are all the resources that we will use in our again master classes ahead. Okay, there is Watson Assistant, there is Watson AI. Okay, if you don't have the page open where you generated the 32-digit code, what you need to do is go to your email ID and copy the code from there. The code must also be in your email ID. So go there in the email ID, copy that code from there. If you have accidentally closed that window, then you can also do this step. Okay, I am going to revise the process again from step 2. Okay, generating a code and logging into IBM Cloud. Okay, so I hope that all of you have somehow reached at this page. Okay, so if you are here, what you need to do is you need to go to IBM Cloud, click on IBM Cloud, click on IBM Cloud feature code here, and click on request feature code. Okay, I am going to show it again. On the left panel, click on IBM Cloud here, and in this window, click on IBM Cloud feature code. Okay, when you click on IBM Cloud feature code, request feature code, and your promo code is generated. Okay, copy that code from there. Now, after copying, go to this link. I am again pasting it on the chat box. IBM Cloud. What? Okay, wait. I'll have to go to, yes. Okay, so go to this login play page and click on create an account. Here you have to click on create an account. After clicking on create an account, enter your college email ID. A green checkbox will be here. Okay, and click on next. When you click on next, a verification mail will go to your email ID. Okay, so you have to click on the 7-digit verification code there, copy it from there, paste it here, and click on next. Once you click on next, this code, okay, this mail from IBM Cloud, 7-digit code, copy it from there, click, paste it here, and click on next. After clicking next, click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will be asked to log into IBM Cloud. Again, put in your IBM ID, log in from there, click on continue. IBM ID is your college email ID, okay? When you click on continue, you will be asked password. Some might not be getting password. They will be redirecting to the site, okay? Don't worry, that's also a good step. Enter your password here, log in to this page. From here, you need to click on register with a code. Okay, this one, when you click on this register with a code, you click on this. Okay, you don't need to click on next, click on this. When you click on register with a code, you will get a window of this enter code. Okay, this code you need to enter it from the window that you got from earlier. Okay, so that window you have to open. That code that you have, 32-digit code, you copy it from there, paste this code, click on create account, and you will get a green check mark. Code was applied successfully, and you will be redirected to the IBM Cloud. Okay, and here you have to select AI and machine learning, student education, and click on let's get started. When you click on let's get started, you will be redirected to a page like this. Okay, you will be seeing your name here on the right panel. Whatever your name is, your name will appear here. And when you click on this profile link here and go to the profile, Okay, so you click on this small button, go to profile. You will see a screen like this. Okay, this is very important for today's deliverable because in the next class, when I am teaching you, I need your cloud account. So if you have reached here, if you see your name, click on this small icon and this window will appear. Click on profile and this profile page will be here. Your name, your email will be here, your name will be here. Take a screenshot of this page with your name, your profile, and attach it to the attendance. This is very, very important deliverable. I need it before the next class. Okay. Now for the students who have not followed the register with a code process and directly entered, right? So what you need to do is, if you logged in, let me just quickly log in with my account. Okay, so this is my account. Those who have logged in without the code, okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to your profile and you have an option of upgrade. Wait. It doesn't reflect in my account. I guess it might be in your account. Let me quickly check that. Yes, this here, this one, upgrade account. Those who have not followed the code process, right? Those who have logged in here directly, click on this upgrade account. And here in this window, you will be getting a option of register with a code here. I'm not getting it because I did not do it there. So you click on here, register with a code, and then follow that. Okay. Go to upgrade, register with a code. Here itself, you will be getting the option and then you register it with the code there. Okay, so if you are here on this dashboard, then you are at the right place. You have to take a screenshot of profile. Yes, you have to go to profile, take a screenshot of this and upload it. Okay. You have to upload this as a screenshot on the attendance. And quickly rolling the attendance form. Those who are here, then please fill in the attendance after also submitting your screenshot. Okay, so attendance deadline is till Sunday. You need to fill that attendance before Sunday because on Sunday we have the chatbot designing session. Okay, so today's code for the masterclass is Aryabhatta and the deliverable is the screenshot of your cloud profile after registration. Scan this code, scan this and attach the attendance. My team is going to provide the link here, the attendance link, so that you can access it from there. Those who are getting an error that this code is not valid, then you need to follow the steps again, generate the code, copy that code and enter that code. Okay, so the error will be removed. Those who have not got any 32-digit code, then I am going to repeat the step 2, the code generation, which is more important. So if you are here at this page, you already are registered to software downloads. What you need to do is you need to, on the left panel, click on IBM Cloud. Click on IBM Cloud. Click on IBM Cloud feature code, request feature code, and this code will be generated. Okay, you copy that code from there. For the upgrade step, I am going to repeat the upgrade step again. And those who, so this is my what your IBM Cloud will look like. What you need to do is you need to click on this upgrade account. Here you need to upgrade it with code. Okay, here you will be having an option of upgrade with code. You need to upgrade with code and then click next. You can only upgrade if you have made this account with college email ID registered to IBM Skillsbuild. You will not be able to upgrade your personal account with any code. Okay, so remember that this account needs to be created with IBM, your college email ID only. Any other account cannot be upgraded with the code that you have generated. So the code that you have generated, which ID you have generated the code, the account will be upgraded that ID only. Okay, so if you have another account, log out from there and then create an account using the same ID that you used for the code generation. Okay, coming back to IBM Cloud, go to IBM Cloud services and create an account using the same college email ID. Click on next, copy the verification code from your email ID, paste it here, click on next, and then click on continue. Click on when asked login, enter your college email ID, click on continue, paste your password, enter your password here, login, and then register with a code. Paste the 32-digit code here and create account, and your account will be created. On these options, select this machine learning and AI, student and education. And when you reach here, your name will be here. Click on this link and click on profile. Take a screenshot of the profile and fill in the attendance. Okay. So I'm going to wait for some time. Okay, now we are going to resolve your issues. If you have any issues, I would request the IBM CSR box team to take it from here. If we can resolve the issues that students have, we have a good solid 20 minutes for the doubt resolving session. Please resolve the doubts. Attendance form is being rolled out, so it's there.
Thank you so much, Amit, for today's session. I hope many of you have registered on the platform and availed the benefits. I would like you all to know that on Sunday, we have arranged our Masterclass 4 for hands-on training, that is making a chatbot that has been already shared by Amit. But before that, I want everyone to register on platform and should also have the IBM Cloud access. Then and then only you will be able to do hands-on project. So please make sure all of you should be registered on platform before Sunday. Also, we will be sharing you the link of video for your reference over a mail and WhatsApp, as many of you were not able to register themselves in today's session. Before we sign out for today, just like last Saturday, tomorrow also, we have arranged one more doubt solving session from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Please bring all your doubts so that we can clear them out.
Wait, Rashika, I asked the people who were having queries with their college not registered. Can you please roll the grievance form here?
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, I promised that the people who were here and their college was not registered, as well as you were having problem on your email ID, there is a grievance form that you can fill with the problem that you have. So if you can specify your domain ID, your college name, and all this to us, we will send this form to IBM and get you registered there. Okay. So please fill this form.
My colleague Vaishali will be sharing the link of grievance form in the chat box.
Those who have logged in without code, they have to go to manage billing and usage, account type, and then scroll down and select feature code, apply code, and you are good to go. Thank you so much, Karthik, for solving that problem. Go to manage billing, usage, account type, scroll down to subscription and feature code, apply code. Those who have trial account, okay? So I'm going to share the screen. Those who are at this, you have to go this.
Amit, your screen is not visible.
Okay, wait. Okay, thank you so much for bringing me to this notice. Those who have received or those who have registered for a trial account, go to manage billing and usage here and let it open. Okay, my plan is already free, so I will not be able to do this. You need to go to subscriptions. No, not there. Okay, so I will not be able to show you this because my plan is already a free plan. Okay, so what you need to do is I'll read the chat where someone solved this problem. Okay. Okay, go to manage, go to billing and usage, go to account type, then click on trial, then scroll down and select subscribe and feature code and apply code there. Okay, so you go. Okay, am I logged out?
Yes, your screen is not visible.
Again, it's not visible?
It's visible now.
Okay. Have you rolled out the grievance form, Rashika?
Yes, Vaishali has already put the link of grievance form in the chat box.
Okay. So I'm using some student's account that I have got it for me. So I go to billing and usage. Okay, so you click on this account type. You go to this subscription and feature code and click on apply code and enter the code here and you will be good to go. If you are not getting it from upgrade account, then you need to follow this step. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me out in this. And yeah, go to account type, click on trial, go to account settings, scroll down, click on apply code. Okay, so you click on apply code, you apply the code here, and you are good to go. Okay, I'm grading some of your doubts. Sir, what is to be done if you already have a IBM Cloud account? If you already have a IBM Cloud account, if you have it from your personal ID, then you will not be able to access the 365 days access. If you have it from the college ID, then you need to go to Manage, Billing and Usage. Click on this trial here. This one, account type trial. Click on trial and go to this apply code, generate the code, paste the code here, and you are good to go. Okay. Before I move ahead, I would like to tell about my next masterclass. In our next masterclass, we will be designing chatbot with IBM Watson. We'll be learning what are chatbots, how to use IBM Cloud and Watson Assistant to design our own chatbot. We'll be designing our own food ordering chatbot where we'll be creating an icon for it. We'll be creating all the steps and actions that it can do. It can order food, and it can also ask for menu and a lot of things. So, and also we will be deploying our own chatbot to our website. So I'll be teaching all of this using IBM Watson Assistant. Get your IBM Cloud ready for a very fun-filling session the next time we meet on Sunday. And in the next class also, I will reveal you the problem statements that you will be designing your projects on. Okay, so I'll be giving you the problem statements. You will choose any service from IBM Watson or IBM Cloud and design a solution on that problem. Those who are facing problems will use the grievance form and address their issues. The recording of this session will be provided on YouTube. You can watch it again and use it to log into our cloud, IBM Cloud. Okay, if you are facing any issues, let the CSR box team know. Don't please never ever address the issue to IBM global team. Okay, they will not be able to resolve your issues. This AI and ML partnership is with CSR box and IBM together. So CSR box is responsible to handle all of your queries. If you are messaging it directly to IBM, you will never get a reply back. So you will have to ask your doubts in WhatsApp or on mails to CSR box only. Okay, the mail, the ID that you are receiving mails from, you have to reply in that ID only. Don't tag any other people. Okay. So thank you so much for being a part of this session. I know that most of you have registered. Those who have not encountered any problem, fill the grievance form. Thank you so much. I will be taking up your issues to IBM and getting it resolved. See you next time in our chatbot designing class. If you have any further queries, connect to me on my LinkedIn account. Okay, I will be able to resolve your queries on the LinkedIn account. So thank you so much once again. I enjoyed this class. I hope that you were able to build your own IBM Cloud account. See you next time on Sunday. Over to you, Rashika.
Thank you, Amit, so much for today's session. I hope many of you were able to register on the platform and avail the benefits. Lastly, before we sign out for today, just like last Saturday, tomorrow also we have arranged one more doubt solving session for you all at 5 o'clock tomorrow in the evening. Also, this is a gentle reminder regarding the second deliverable. The duration of second deliverable is AI fundamentals, 10 hours. 10 hours of course. So please make your daily planning accordingly. As you know, we are reaching the deadline of this course, which is 24th of June. Also, I would request everyone to give feedback by filling attendance form from the link. Link has been shared with you over a chat box to my colleague by my colleague Vaishali. Thank you so much once again and see you all again in the next masterclass. Good day and take care.
Rashika, before we go, students are asking me that grievance form has not been rolled. So is this the form, the fill out the attendance form, there is grievance form written. So are these two same, like attendance form and the grievance form?
No, these two are different forms. I'll just inform Vaishali to roll out.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.